SISMAR lasers laser systems are capable of CIing, engraving and marking several metals, including gold, silver and others. With our laser systems, a variety of materials of various thickness can be worked on to create complex shapes. They maximize precisions, cut flexible and offer a cost-effective, high-accuracy cutting, engraving and marking solutions. It is also an avenue for jewelry designers to achieve maximum freedom to create fantastic shapes, far better than what the traditional cutting methods offer. Suitable jewelry materials and metals for laser processing include precious metals such as gold, silver, etc., alloys, glass, e.g., spectacles, others.